Racism is the belief that personal affiliations, whether related to race, profession, or others, grant privileges and superiority over others, and could result in harmful acts. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Leave it, for it is something detestable." Racism threatens security and communal harmony, whether on a global scale or within a sovereign nation, in terms of the relationships of nations and peoples and what must be done to foster greater amity and cooperation. Racism generates hatred and often harmful acts. Any racist rhetoric or racial discrimination must be deterred by treating its psychological conditions as well as ideological and social transformations through educational institutions, the family and society, the platforms of religious, intellectual, and media influence, specialists in psychology and sociology, prohibiting and criminalizing any manifestation of fanaticism and racism by constricting their collectives and negative slogans in society and holding their harmful actions accountable. The Charter of Makkah also has called for rejecting racist words and slogans and denouncing repugnant supremacist views that are embellished with fabricated illusions of preference. Verily, the most honorable of people are the most pious of them. Allah Almighty said, "O mankind, we have created you from a male and a female, and made you into nations and tribes, so that you may recognize one another. Indeed, the most noble of you before Allah is the most righteous among you. Indeed, Allah is all-knowing, all-aware. Likewise, those who are most helpful to others are the finest of people." In the Hadith, the best of people are the most beneficial to people.